Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm really excited to share with you a delicious Bodo style pork recipe with Gourd called Oma Kumra Jwng. This combination is quite popular across Northeast India, and just that the name might be different based on the tribe. And who does not love this dish, right? So do let me know what you call it guys in the comments. And now let's check out the ingredients. Pork, gourd, salt, curd, ginger, green chilies and some coriander leaves. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you never miss an update. And now let's start cooking. Take a deep pan, then add your pork pieces and open cook it for 20 minutes, stirring every couple of minutes on a low flame until the pork begins to release its own fat. Now add your chopped gourd, salt as per taste, slit green chilies, crushed ginger and curd or cooking soda. Stir. Cover and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes until the pork is tender and the gourd has turned pulpy. Finally garnish with fresh coriander leaves if desired. And here you go, our dish is ready. Wasn't the dish so easy to follow? The pork just melts in your mouth. The gourd gravy has a subtle sweetness, pulpy, and the curd has blended beautifully, elevating the dish. And now it's time for me to dig in. This is really soft and light. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. So do let me know in the comments. Until then, see you next week.